Anyway, good evening to you if you're just joining us. If you've been watching the show for the last couple of hours, you see what I go on. You know the strips. If you've been here for the couple of weeks, you know what's going on. Remember the show is sponsored by
Shush Print. You know, it's produced by Royal Mag Entertainment. You don't know people. So you can see a member for join us on YouTube. You don't know, subscribe to our thing. Hit the notification bell to get notified every time a video drop. You don't know the thing go.
Okay.
Hit us on YouTube, yeah.
Of course. Right now I feel good because I feel like it's my birthday today. But no, I know my birthday. We have an artist by the name of Byrthday IGM. Welcome to the show, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, man. We're here.
Of course, you know, a long time now, brother. It's been a while.
About 2 years now, though. 3 years now.
You remember, you know, say you're one of the first artists them who kind of start the show. From them time, the when we just barely just
start up.
Yeah.
Jeez,
so we give thanks for the energy.
Yeah, mad thing.
And the song where you do the birthday songs are still one of the top songs, but I think a lot of people don't really get to hear the fullness of that song there yet. And it has longevity. It's not a song that's gonna just pass over and stay.
No. That song they have whole heap of life in it, man.
Cool.
Whole heap of life, man.
So for our new viewers who haven't heard anything about you or your music before, can you just introduce yourself for me, please?
Well, go by the name of Byrthday IGM. You can find me anywhere. Twitter, Instagram, Snap, Facebook, the whole thing.
Of course.
We had the music seriously about 3 years now.
Yeah.
Obviously my first single I put out was Forever Girl, which Uno kinda put that to the fourth scene then.
Ex-girlfriend.
Yeah.
That
Further on.
Alright. Further on. How you come by get the name the Byrthday IGM? Because you know, the birthday thing, like, who named themselves Byrthday? Yeah.
So still, you know. But still the thing is now, like, me don't want a name where just unique and, you know, like them name that will just keep, you call it, reinventing itself.
One side,
always you know?
Birthday, you know. Always a coming, always a look forward to it.
Well, look at the bright side. It's always somebody's birthday.
Always.
True that.
So, and it's a name where you can always remember. So, if your birthday, you know what I say, from obviously it's a female song, so them will always want to play the song there.
Of course.
What
I'm most intrigued about, do you write your own music or are you do songs for people written and sent to you? Are you the writers or do you? Because I'm intrigued about the relationship between the lyrics and the beats.
Yeah.
Do you have any like, are you the one in the studio making the beats as well?
No.
Okay, good.
No.
Do you write the one material?
But that's it, 90%, 95%.
Okay.
When we're in a studio, it's a more of it's a vibe thing. Yeah. So I work alongside myself with a youth named Cutty.
Okay.
You know, Cutty 876.
Oh, so, yeah, big up Cutty is.
Yeah, it's a youth basically. We go in a studio and we just match together, I didn't think that. So when we say right, we just match together, create a vibe, create the buzz, and just put on the track.
What I like with the music is it's not necessarily music it's not a trendy type of songs that you do. You do songs that, as I said, you can play it 5 years down the line, you can play it, and it sounds like it's just been recorded.
Yeah, definitely.
Because even the Forever Girl, the video of that, I like the video, the concept, it just looks fresh.
See me.
Because I watched it today and I'm like, yeah, it still looks alright. I look back and it said 2 years ago, I'm like,
time fly, yeah.
I'm thinking that's the new something when I come look and I say, alright, new song Forever Girl, but an old girl. It's not a new girl. Of course.
It's a Forever Girl, see me, man.
Yeah. Of course. You reside here in the UK, right?
Yeah.
You were obviously you weren't born in the UK. Am I wrong by saying that? You weren't born in the UK?
No.
Okay, how long have you been here?
A good, I think near enough 20 years now.
20 years now?
Yeah, near enough 20 years.
Okay, you're a furniture then, man. You're in that place, man. You're alright. You're so keen.
Yeah, man.
So have you considered moving back to Jamaica to proceed the dancehall side?
Alright, see the thing is now, I'm not going to say me pick a genre, if that make any sense.
Yeah.
I kind of just want to do music.
Yeah.
So anyone with them just do it, you know what I say? Whoever accept me, just accept me, I'm just work with that. You get what I say? But the forward vision is to do a worldwide thing, not just dancehall or hip-hop or R&B or whatever. Just do music so everybody can enjoy. You get what I say? And yeah, so young, old, everybody, man, woman.
What are you listening to now, like musically? What do you driving in a car or you say up on your Spotify? What's on your Spotify playlist?
Right now, to be honest with you, Summer Walker stuck on my Spotify right now.
Yeah?
Summer Walker, Jagged Edge, Osha. I be a kind of slow jam listen to still, cause some mistake get me say.
And sport the type of music you do?
Eh?
And sport the type of music you do? It's
yeah, them slow, them more, more laid back, so we can chill out with.
Okay, are you looking to collab like in any particular artist soon?
Not at this moment, but I've got a collab that dropped today.
Drop today. So
Yeah,
go on then, brother. You
today.
just keep it to yourself.
I'm birthday today though, so you know go already.
You confuse me now. Come on now. Hold on. Make us start again. Hold on.
No.
So hold on, For you straight out this one. What go on this one?
No, my last. Right now, I need to find it.
It's a section. So your name birthday,
Yeah.
and today your birthday,
I walk.
and you have a song named Birthday.
Yeah.
Brother, I don't know. I first this.
Holy for birthday, I go and
Yeah, man.
What's the song name? What's the name of the song for the drop
So
today?
the song I'm drop today called First Night.
First Night.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what kind of? Well, obviously we know your
It's
type of
feel
music.
good music, man. Same,
You know,
feel good music.
You see, this is the part of the interview now. Me that say, all right, brand new right here now, but you not give it the song for it.
No, man, I have it, man.
Have it?
My PR sent it to you.
Oh.
See, I right over there, say, I look on and say, I pick Wally Papa a while ago and
So
pick about 10 bags.
Where
you have it?
Dragon gone in extra spot. Anyway, further on, we'll get it forward and we're going to hear it and then.
Yeah, man.
And you know what? We have one little iron test over here. When we play the song them live, we make people comment and say if it's not good, we still flush it.
Yeah, man. So that's for go on, man.
You understand? And if you go to give the thumbs up or the like and the something.
Ready
see
for
me I
that,
say,
man. Ready for it, man. I'm here, man.
Good. What's new for what's good? What's
What's good for
2020?
2020?
What's in the pipeline?
Is that alright? Me have a new talk where I say girl treatment. So it's be a girl song one that year.
Girl treatment.
Be a girl song.
See it there?
So I just want a girl and just feel happy. Okay, I know the DJ them free to play the girl song. Them just want to be a girl song.
I'm gonna stop it right there.
Okay, stop.
Some DJ.
Some DJ.
So, no, but
Yeah,
yeah,
just selfish.
another. Listen to me. And some of them girls need to get some cussing too.
Oh, right.
Because here we go on now. Sometimes we go out and we play some song for them and I say, girls time now, go on with
Body
yourself.
sit down.
No, honestly,
And then stays up on the socials.
Like them a fight to war in Iraq. Some big gun and some sitting over wall. No.
Alright.
No. You need to come out.
We are still.
So the song, alright, you see when you bring the song them forward,
Yeah.
we're gonna play them and I'm gonna send them some video.
Yeah.
And any girl me see that still post up, so
Yeah.
me I send me inbox to them.
Yeah. So I have to change my strategical plan then if that not right then.
Of course.
Okay.
Which is
Alright
right.
then. Yeah, man.
Alright, definitely.
Oh, that song got it.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
People, we live here, Byrthday IGM. If you're a bit confused like myself, it's actually his birthday as well, and he's here with us live. And he have a song called Birthday, wicked combination. Very good artist, and he's here live with us this evening.
Yeah, man.
And he has a brand new song, as he said, he just premiered just now.
Yeah. Video out as well. Oh,
Video out as well.
Yeah, video out as well, man.
Wow.
Yeah,
Why?
man. When I run for the road now, man. 2020.
That makes sense.
We are say clear.
How do you respond to like the Afrobeat trending in the UK? Are you considering to like upon the wave, or you just
But that's what I said to you earlier. It's just music me I do. So like when I'm in the studio, me and myself, Cutty and other few members like Prince Akeem and thing.
Big up Prince Akeem, you know.
Yeah, man, big him up, man. When we get in the studio, we just kind of find a rhythm and we just vibe. Wherever feel we get, person like Smooth Face as well. Wherever beat we get, we just vibe, man. We just work with the thing, man. We not have no barrier. You get what I say? I don't think none of my team members them should have barrier. So we just work.
Of course,
We
makes
just
sense.
work, man.
Anyway, you know me have to say big up Kotika. I'm inside the studio.
Yeah, man.
Because me
Straight
from
up.
earlier on as I play some Kotika. Every week, me announce the email address online.
Yeah.
So everybody get it. Yo,
And Cutty not say nothing.
send on a song, no brother, cause you don't know. Me can't hold that gunpoint and rob on the music, you know.
All right.
Cause
See that?
if you guys don't give me, I won't have it and I won't be able to play it.
Yeah.
You get me? Cause like this platform is about young talent, upcoming talent. It's about talent.
Yeah.
So yeah,
From
as
song,
long as
good
you
song
guys
for play, man.
send your songs, you know, me always from me every time me send, me go through the email daily, listen your music, and me feel say something that me like, or Rick feel like him like it, or anybody else, it's gonna be played.
Oh, so it's not a team decision? Or?
No, but here we know. It's a team
is,
decision, but him and the DJ. Everybody have them role for
Everybody
play.
have them little like, you know, everybody tastes different. So my time a good for somebody see something in us. All right, for instance, like Coffee and the Gunna song. I don't like the Gunna bit. Rick like it.
Why for the Gunna? I mean, I like the Gunna either.
No, I say you like the bit of the song. The bit. Yeah, the bit. That
No.
Rick like that bit of the song. You get me? So it's just what me I say. Like we all have different tastes and we digest music differently. So sometimes you might send me something and I'm thinking of like maybe be up on a 90 BPM wave. You send me something a bit fast or a bit slow. I'm like, I feel it at the moment. I feel it. You get me? So it's all about a collective team effort.
Yeah. Okay.
If you get what me I say.
Yeah.
Of course.
Scotty.
You know what? Fix the match, alright?
I'm looking for this now. I was gonna say.
Him can't people. You know what? Most cut it forward. Jump on the thing. I'm not one forward and anything. You know the reason why? A lot of times we have the inside of the artists and we never really get the people, the producers and the people behind the scenes who's actually connecting the dots. And what we don't understand that the producers and the people playing the role in the back screens are always some of the most instrumental people in the careers of the artists. Because if they don't do the things that necessary, the artists can't really do it themselves. So that's why we say bring in Cutty to the conversation. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Majana.
Yeah, I did that like forward night thing after shy boy.
No, shy man. I'm just there to support Byrthday IGM. My theme day today, I'm a general, so I'm just there to support the bosses.
Tell us your role and connection with the artists.
I just a family link still, musical family. My brother from another mother. Anything him say from, if it makes sense, we're gonna work with it. You
produce?
I would say artists and producing as well.
Artistry more than producing.
No, I know.
No, because I'm telling you what, the producing thing come from frustration of waiting on producers for rhythm. It's better when you can. Sometimes you have a vision and you want to bring it to the forefront yourself. And some people, you might go to somebody and them not get your idea, but you might feel like it can work.
Yeah,
it's good when you can bring that to the forefront yourself. So
at least you can start it and then say, all right.
Yeah, so the production.
That's your one. Cool. And so how we can find you and find you online? Because the time is really limited. I mean, that's why you get your 5 minutes of fame. And
5 minutes of fame. Cutty _876. So KU_T_I_876. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, the whole works.
All right. So Cutty, I want you to stay right way there because we have a little part. I know you can help you with. All right, but we don't really reach that part there yet. Don't move now. All right, Keith. People back to IGM live in the studio. I said, the new song just dropped today on birthday and they must celebrate everything braffy.
Yeah,
there you go. Good. So as I said, you're forward moving, thinking you say you're doing more songs for the 2020 for girl songs, right?
Yeah, man.
And
that's
so,
girl treatment, man.
So you're not gonna work with two females if you kind of collab with the two females to make it something nice.
Oh yeah, so we never finished with that whole info there. So the song we dropped today, first night, is a collab with somebody called Tiana Bianca. Bad piece of voice, yeah, man. Yeah, man. But send the song, so I don't know. Make sure you have that.
Don't worry yourself, man. It be the man. You never.
Yeah, man. A bad song, man. Her voice bad, man. I like. Love her voice, man. Okay. Compliment the whole rhythm, everything.
All right. So here we go on. Our time look a bit limited from way today, and we're grateful for the attendance of the item and respect for that. But right now, the local party, we don't know what go on. I have to tell you, the people that I feel live land know exactly what go on at the time of the interview. Dragon, or stay?
A freestyle.
Got in it,
Yeah, man. Bag them go grab a while.
You go drink anything.
More vibe.
Really, man? Bag and go grab.
For drop out already, me chip up. So yeah, all right. You ready?
Byrthday IGM, are you ready?
Yeah. Different style, give you different girls. Different girls, give you different girls. Know what I mean? This is our world. Are your birthday? Different style, give you different girls. Different girl, give you different girl. Know what I mean? This is our world. Yo, watch it. Step out in a me new Van slippers. Pants well straight with the ribbons. Girl I get in a them knickers. Say I me them want to come rip off it. Girl them say me well saucy. Me a the man, me a the daddy. She a long out her tongue cause she honey. Me she want in her panty. My team roll out and you know say the thing it never shaky. We buy out the bar and put it a we foot pocket never empty. And I think dog, but me dog them ever stop evidently. Watch out, they put two in your skin. I'm so clean, I'm so fresh. From me stepping girl to get wet. I'm so clean, I'm so fresh. And if you hype dog, I hear. Watch you not cut him on a year time in a me general.
My
a year
time?
time in a me general.
My time?
Yeah.
See it, you know, radio.
Your time, watch it.
We out there.
Yeah.
You want me to say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Byrthday IGM Cut 876 TGM Radio.
Oh God.
You see we?
I'm going to wait for the drop in the car. I want to hear what me say. Alright, watch out.
We get y'all easy, we that. Enough man not eat the thing, but them a eat that. Shell bar anywhere we go, I just we that. Birthday check-in, full of free that.
Yeah.
What's they are dog. Y'all see the done I want fling it, give me hard when me fly go a yard. Every girl give me browning, say she want in the yard.
Hey.
Get y'all easy, we that. And no girl can't take man for eat that. We no run down girl, we have asthma. Y'all get wet when them see me body plasma. Oi.
Aspa.
Yo, Cut 876 Upnlive with the no TMG, though.
Now we are going to the bra for a few more songs now.
Girl, them, right?
We have 2 more minutes. Go ahead.
Girl from your pussy fat cock it up there so me have a long broom for your riding no. Plus me want full your tank like Dexter Cup. Love how your skills is tight, don't let me go. Balance and ride, girl, yeah. So me bust inna your belly with me water God. You have a daughter, well me want a son. Line up on the, me no want your. What a pussy clean, girl. Girl, your pussy tight, you know. Love it when you scream when me push it in. Rotted.
Girl
You really
segment.
mad?
Girl segment.
Want you
Girl
to-
segment.
Girl segment.
Yeah.
Girl segment. Alright then.
So open your wind up your body for me, so. Open your belly, it a go-go.
Yeah.
When you open your leg, I love stroke.
Yeah.
Girl, me have to ask how your pussy so.
Yeah.
When me see you, girl, me can't swear. So
Yeah,
when I
man.
hold that tongue, bring the one me love and when you girl, me can't get enough and now me a fall in love with you. Hey girl, me say, oh you fuck so good. When you wine pon it, no matter than you. Hey, and me say, oh you so good. Now when you bubble pon it, and no matter than you give me the what me like. Wine for me come base, make me feel nice.
How me feel like, what up. Let's see.
Arch up your back when me slide right in. Tell me how you feel. Grab you in your shoes, so yeah. I'm with him again.
Alright then, girl.
Yes.
Hard man not touch you wanna me that.
Yeah.
She nah give the body to no eat that. Body slide out so me push it in back. Girl you tight pussy no office squeeze cut. Up inna your belly when me send it is a fleck. In the car don't need no credit.
Alright, listen. Alright, we want
Clean and up.
listen.
Clean and up, please.
More you finish it that way for me, yeah?
Yeah.
It's like how today your birthday,
Yeah.
more you give me a 16 at the birthday song a cappella.
Acapella.
Yeah.
On your birthday, so come make we celebrate. You know what your night. Say it no really matter if you want to make a bag of nice. A your night. La 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 la. Baby, you're tight and you little bit. Love when you wine pon the tip of it. Me want lock you down for a little bit. I'm in love with you, oh yes I am. When you whine and you jiggle it. When you look. I'm dead.
I swear, Jack and I where Jack and find that a while ago. Anyway, people, give thanks to them. Give me some socials before we cut. Social media.
Socials, you don't know, iTunes, Spotify, everything, Cut 876, Byrthday IGM. Talk to the people, them know.
Yeah, so Byrthday IGM, Byrthday space IGM.
Simple.
Find me anyway. Yeah,
That's-
anyway. All platform. The song them out, them up on Spotify, them up on iTunes, them up on Tidal, them up on YouTube, them they everywhere.
And the new song out today is
It's called First Night, featuring Tiana Bianca. Go watch that something up on YouTube.
YouTube right now.
Find me.
Well, I know, before I cut, I just want to say something quick and fast.
Yeah.
Zin, the April the 4th,
Yeah.
my first headline show
Yeah.
That a Cutty 876 performing live. You don't know Byrthday IGM, my brother I go dead there. I would have liked the
Upnlive show. Yeah, we did that.
Dead in support as well. You don't know turnout are gonna be crazy. So I just want today it finalized, so I put the word out there.
See
4th of April, Cutty 876 live. Shout this look good again.
And this is the first place it ever been announced.
You see that now? Remember you get
the first.
They get them exclusive.
Wow. Anyway, give thanks to Byrthday IGM Cutty 876 to pass through to the show right now. You know what? Listen to me. I like the vibe, I like the energy. I say good artists, good music will prevail in whatever climate or whatever year. It always a go shot, right? So remember the show is sponsored by
Shush Sprint. And remember the show was produced by Royal Mac Entertainment Scene. And we're here on TJ and Rebel each and every Tuesday from 9 till 11.